Welcome back to the Ticker Trader News Daily Briefing for Sunday, August 17th, 2025. Visit TickerTraderNews.com for today's stock picks and full market analysis. We've got a busy edition today. Healthcare still leading the charge, Google laying down a quiet but powerful $9 billion investment in Oklahoma, semiconductors splitting paths with TSMC steady, and Applied Materials struggling, and gold traders looking ahead to Jackson Hole. Plus, we'll cover homebuilders policy and what's next for the week. Let's dive in. Every session, we start with our buy and sell signals. Top picks for August 17th. UnitedHealth Group, UNH, holding its Berkshire fuel gains. Healthcare leadership looks durable. Alphabet, GOGL, long-term visibility from infrastructure expansion. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, steady operational focus, streamlining older wafer production. D.R. Horton, DHI, rebounding as housing sentiment stabilizes. Nucor and UE, steel remains resilient against rate worries. On the other hand, here are our top sells. Applied Materials, AMAT, weak guidance, particularly around China. T-Mobile US, TMUS, and Charter, CHCR, competition heating up, margins pressured. GameStop, GME, momentum fading again. Plug Power, Plug, execution remains a serious question mark. Now, to the day's major stories. Healthcare hold the baton. UnitedHealth continues to ride higher after the Berkshire Hathaway stake news. It's more than one stock. Healthcare is proving can lead in a market searching for stability. Google's $9 billion play in Oklahoma, as it announced fresh cloud and AI investments across new and expanded sites. It's not the flashiest news, but in investing, sometimes boring is best. Long-term CAPEX builds mean new jobs, better infrastructure, and consistent margin support. TSMC streamlines operations. Phasing out 6-inch wafers and consolidating 8-inch production may sound technical, but it's about discipline. TSMC keeps focusing on efficiency, staying ahead of less steady peers. Gold steadies ahead of Jackson Hole. Traders are watching yields and waiting for central bank signals. For gold miners, real yields matter more than the daily headlines. With Jackson Hole coming up, positioning will be cautious. Let's expand on sector stories. Homebuilders, D.R. Horton and peers like Leonard found buyers this past week, as hopes of easier policy and mortgage rate buydowns grew. Housing resilience keeps surprising markets. Semiconductors, we continue to favor quality balance sheets like TSM over volatility-heavy suppliers. Applied Materials' weak outlook just reinforces that. Healthcare, UNH shows why defenses matter, less hype, more execution. Trend followers are still benefiting. Gold and dollar, precious metals are holding up well, but it's less about the dollar itself and more about real yields. That's what the pros are watching. As we head into Monday, here's what's on the radar. Can healthcare leadership extend? Will homebuilders keep their rebound alive? Semiconductors, overseas headlines could shift tone fast. And miners, every whisper out of central bankers will matter into Jackson Hole. Friday's session closed steady with healthcare leading and homebuilders regaining strength. Tech showed selective winners, but suppliers lagged. Going into the new week, we're watching continuity in leadership, with special attention to catalysts from central bank commentary. For the full breakdown, calculators, and updated watch lists, visit TickerTraderNews.com. I'm your host. Thanks for joining today's market briefing. Until next time, trade smart, stay informed, and have a strong week ahead. Disclaimer: you should conduct your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. TickerTraderNews.com and its contributors are not liable for any losses or damages arising from use of this information.